Now the value of tan A plus cot A is given to be 4. So by using this, we want to find out the value of tan raised to 4A plus cot raised to 4A. So here the given thing we will use and we'll simplify this tan raised to 4A plus cot raised to 4A. So here the value of tan A plus cot A is equals to 4. Fourth power we require. So we'll take both sides square. So if we take both sides square, this side is 4 square and this is A plus B whole square. So tan square A plus cot square A 2 times tan A into cot A plus B whole square. So tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 times A into B means tan A into cot A, and this side 16. We know that tan and cot are inverse of each other. So tan A is 1 by cot A. So cot A get cancelled, or cot A is 1 by tan A. Tan A will get cancelled. This is 2 only. So these 2 if we take on this side, so 16 minus 2, 14. And this left hand side will be tan square A plus cot square A. So this is the value. Tan square A plus cot square A is 14. In the similar manner, we require fourth order. So both the sides again will take square. So we'll treat this as A, this is B. A plus B whole square, and this is 14. So similar way, tan square A iska square lenge again. So that will be tan raised to 4, and here B square means this cot square ka square, that is cot raised to 4. 2 times tan square into cot square will get cancelled, 2 remains. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 बचा था, यहाँ पे 2. So this is 2. So 2 this will take on this right hand side. So 196 minus 2, that will be 194. So the value of this tan raised to 4A plus cot raised to 4A will be 194. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, so the next question is, we want to find out the value of cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 up to cos 179. But if you observe here, ये 1 से start होके कहाँ तक जा रहा है? 179. And we know that the value of standard cos 90 is 0. So somewhere in between, बीच में कहीं ना कहीं cos 90 है. So the value of cos 90 will be in the multiple. So 0 into anything is 0. So this total value will be 0, right? And the next one is, we want to find out the value of tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta. So here we'll use the formula or relation of tan A plus B and tan A minus B. What it is? Yes. So this is 1 plus, so this tan A plus B. So tan A plus tan B. And we know that tan 45 is 1. So directly I am writing here 1. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So A is what here? Pi by 4, and the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. So tan pi by 4 plus tan theta means 1 plus tan theta, and 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta is 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 minus 1 into tan theta, directly I am writing. In the similar way, tan pi by 4 minus theta, tan A minus tan B. So tan A, that is pi by 4, that is tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 minus tan theta, and in the denominator 1 plus tan theta. Now simply here cross multiply. So this 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta square, 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta whole square. And this is 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. A minus B into A plus B. So the value is A square minus B square. And this numerator A square plus B square plus 2AB, and here minus, यहाँ पे दोनों एक ये प्लस में है और ये माइनस में है. So if you simplify further, you can check 1 and tan square theta will get cancelled. Here 2 tan theta and plus 2 tan theta, 4 tan theta will be there. So this is the task. You can easily check 1 plus tan theta whole square minus 1 plus tan theta whole square will be 4 tan theta. ये cross multiply करने के बाद ये answer आ जाएगा. Now 4 tan theta you can write out 2 into 2 tan theta. So 2 I am writing outside. So 2 tan theta divided by this term as it is. But we know that this is the value of what? Tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is the value of tan 2 theta. So the value of this term is 2 times tan 2 theta. Okay. So the next question is, we want to find out the value of tan A plus cot 180 plus A plus cot 90 plus A plus cot 360 minus A. Now here 180 को हम लिख सकते हैं multiple of 90. 90 is multiple of 1 itself, and 360 also multiple of 90. So 180 is what? 90 into 2 plus A. So even multiple में cot का cot ही रहेगा. So value of cot 2 into 90 plus a will be cot a, and even में change हो जाएगा. So cot 90 plus a, and this 90 plus a is in which quadrant? In second quadrant, and in second quadrant the value of cot is negative. So this is negative, and cot of 90 plus a will be tan of minus of tan a. And here cot, this is again 360 means 90 into 4 even multiple, and the value is what? In which quadrant? In the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant cot is negative, and cot will be cot in the multiple of even. So cot of 4 into 90 minus a will be cot a, and third quadrant mein isliye negative. So this tan a and this tan a will get cancelled. This cot a and this cot a will get cancelled. So the value of this question will be 0, right? So, okay, so the next question is, if a plus b is pi by 4, then what would be the value of 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b? So since a plus b is pi by 4, we can take tan on both sides. So tan a plus b is equals to tan pi by 4. And we know the relation of tan a plus b. Tan a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. And this tan pi by 4 is 1. So we'll take this total denominator on this side. So this will be what? 1 minus tan a plus tan b. So minus की term right hand side में ले लेंगे. Tan a minus tan a tan b here after coming will be tan a plus tan a into tan b. Now on both the sides we'll add 1. So here 1 plus 1 2, here 1 plus tan a first term. And here both the term, if we take from these two terms tan a और tan b कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस विल गेट 1 प्लस tan a. tan b कॉमन ले लेंगे दोनों के पास से, तो 1 प्लस tan a, और दोनों साइड पे 1 ऐड किए तो 1 प्लस tan a, 1 प्लस tan a is common bracket. If we take 1 plus tan a common, we'll get 1 plus tan b. So the value is 2. So the value of this 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b will be 2. Right? Okay, the next question is, we want to find out the value of tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. So we already know the value of tan 3a. The relation of tan 3a is tan a plus tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. How? tan 3a को हमने कैसे लिखे? a plus 2a के फॉर्मेट में, a plus b का फॉर्मेट. tan a plus 2a, so tan a plus b is what? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So tan 3a we are writing a plus 2a, so tan a plus tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. So if we take the cross multiplication, this term onto this side, so 1 into tan 3a minus tan 3a into this tan a tan 2a. So minus tan a, tan 2a और tan 3a को राइट हैंड साइड में भेज देंगे, और ये दोनों टर्म को लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेकर आ जाएंगे. So this is tan 3a into 1 tan 3a, and tan 3a into tan a into tan 2a on the right hand side will be positive tan 3a tan 2a tan a, and this tan a plus tan 2a will be on the left hand side. So this is minus tan 2a minus tan. So the value of this tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a will be tan 3a tan 2a tan a. And in the similar way, next question is sine. We want the value of sine theta plus sine 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. So we'll use the direct relation of sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and the value of cos 2 theta is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, and cos theta will be as it is. So 2 cos square theta plus cos theta in the denominator, and in the numerator sine theta plus 2 sine theta into cos theta. So sine theta is common from the two terms. So sine theta if we take common, so 1 plus 2 cos theta will be there. And from the denominator cos theta is common. So here 1 and here 2 cos theta will be there. So this bracket is same. So we will get cancel these two brackets. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Only sine theta by cos theta will be there. So this is tan theta will be the value of this total term. So this is the answer of this.